In the aviation industry, it is very important to have relevant training aids to train new technicians to be successful in their aviation careers. We recently received 3 aircraft for just that purpose. So the first aircraft I'm going to show you is our Merlin 3C aircraft. It was actually built here in San Antonio. It was actually donated from a private donor who wanted to give back to the school and give back to aviation. It's an airplane that's in wide use around the country, and it's going to be a valuable tool for us. We're going to be able to use it for landing gear training. We're going to be using it for avionics training. And what's good about that is having these types of trainers is that it gives the students a different variety of hands-on experiences, which gives them a better depth of experience when they go out into their normal jobs. So what we have here is a Robinson R-22. These helicopters are in wide use around the country. They're used for various things like flying down oil pipelines. They can use them for cattle herding. They can use them for all kinds of various things. And this is the first helicopter that we've had in our program since the program started in 1969. So what's unique about this is that we can actually take this helicopter outside and we can run it. We can do all kinds of operational checks on it. We can take stuff off, put it on. So this is a really unique experience to show the students what's different between an actual aircraft and a helicopter. What we have here is the T-38 Talon aircraft. It is the world's first supersonic trainer aircraft, and it is still in use today by the United States Air Force. It's also in use by NASA to train their astronauts. It's also used around the world by foreign governments. So it's a widely used aircraft, and we have it right here in our hangar for our students to get hands-on training with. We're going to use this aircraft for all kinds of different things. We're going to use it for engine installation and removal training. We're going to use it for landing gear training as well. We're going to use it for avionics systems. So there's all kinds of things that our students will be able to get a unique experience on this aircraft that not many other schools have around the country. We're very excited to have these 3 aircraft added to our arsenal here at Hallmark University. Our students are going to be able to sink their hands into these aircraft and learn more than they would learn if they were just in a classroom watching a slide. So this is going to make them well-rounded. It's going to prepare them for what they're going to see out there when they start their aviation career.